Hey, my friend Daniel here. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about MyEcon, their credit repair system, and chances are some things that you did not know about credit repair, and you also did not know about the MyEcon credit repair system. And this is a first for not only MyEcon, but also for specifically our team, which is the Funnel team, the largest and fastest growing team inside of MyEcon. More information on us, what we do, how we give you over $10,000 in free value just for activating your MyEcon business. Link in the description down below. Now, what I want to talk to you about is for the first time ever, MyEcon has never done this before. As far as I know, someone correct me if in the comments if I'm wrong, but we now have a standalone retail sales page specifically for the credit repair system within MyEcon. Now, other products that you can market on your own through MyEcon is the travel membership, the cash flow manager, and I think one other thing, but it is not the credit repair system, which the credit repair is probably one of their best core products that they have. And we just launched this week to our team a sales page that is exclusively just for the credit repair. So I'm going to walk you through that sales page. But more importantly, if you watch this video all the way till the end, I want to let you know what else is out there on the market and why MyEcon is positioned so effectively when it comes to credit repair, and why their credit repair system, which literally has been proven to work, is not only helping people increase their credit score, but it's also helping people save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars with credit repair versus paying somebody else to do it. Okay. So I'm going to walk you through those things in these videos. First, I want to do is I want to go over to the page that we actually created. And again, this is exclusively for our team. This is now a retail sales page that can be used for your MyEcon business to share credit repair. This is a standalone retail site, and we have the price point set at $19.95 to start. You can see the credit repair page here, tongue twister. And this is a very nicely done, professionally made retail sales page. And it has a great video on here. And the video is very short, to the point, direct, covers all the things that you get with your membership, how it works, what that person's going to do. And we even have it right here. It says also what is in the video. We put right on the page. Here's how it works. There's 4 steps that you go through. Okay. Link in the description down below if you want to check this out for yourself. Okay. And then if they're ready to start their journey. And then we compared MyEcon's credit repair system compared to some of the other major companies out there on the market. Now, these are the top 3 credit repair programs that are on the market today. And I can't stress to you enough how much of a price difference is out there on the market right now. And I'm actually going to show you that. So this is the credit repair sales page. Very basic, very clean, very professional looking, ready to rock for you today. If you want to just promote the product only with MyEcon, or if you just want to use the credit repair yourself with MyEcon and you want to fix your own credit, you can 100% do that. Again, link in the description down below. Now, here's what's important. What I want you to understand is most people don't think about price when it comes to fixing their credit. And I do these posts a lot on my Facebook timeline. You know, I'll advertise sometimes just a credit repair. I promote mostly the business, but a lot of times I'll occasionally promote the product itself, the credit repair. And sometimes I'll get between a dozen and sometimes hundreds of comments on one of my Facebook posts, people saying, yes, I want info. I want to fix my credit. And then when I tell people, hey, it's $19.95 to start, they're like, oh, no, thanks. It's almost like people don't understand that if you truly want to fix your credit the right way, you're going to have to pay for it. Either that, or you have to go and research and figure it all out for yourself, or you could use a documented, proven system that works and has been documented to work. And I can promise you, it's the cheapest you're going to find out there online, hands down. Let me show you. Okay. So we're going to go over, and you could do a Google search yourself, and you can go look at the top credit repair programs that are on the market today and just go look at some of these prices. This is creditrepair.com. Okay. You can scroll down, and I literally went here, about us, how much does it cost? and I went right here. So you can, again, you could do the same exact thing. And I want to blow this up for you so you can see it nice and clear here. Okay. $119.95 per month with a first work fee of another $120. So it's $120 just to activate, and then it's another $120 per month. Okay. My econ, $19.95 to start. Okay. And then it's $39 a month. The other thing I also want you to realize too, and this is really important, a lot of people will assume with credit repair that if they are going to pay someone, it's a one-time fee. And no, it's not. You can do your own research and you'll find out eventually if you do the research that credit repair is not a one-time thing. You don't just pay somebody once and then your credit's fixed and everything's right as rain. No. All of these guys are monthly programs. So that is one. Now let's go over to another very popular one. This is the Credit Saint. Look at these prices. $80 a month, $110 a month, $140 a month. Okay. And all of these are basically doing the same thing. It's just how much scrubbing are they actually going to do from your credit report. Okay. So again, notice per month, not a one-time deal. So that's one. Now let's go look at a third one. This is the credit people here. Okay. $100 a month, $120 a month, $600 for your first 6 months. Okay. And then who knows? It'll probably change after that. Might go up. But plain and simple, guys, if you want to fix your credit and you want to do it the right way. Now, here's why it's important to use a service like MyEcon, because number one, you get to do it yourself. And no one should take ownership of your credit other than you. You are the best person to fix your credit. That way you don't have to give your personal information away to somebody else. You don't have to put your social security number, all of your personal info, birth dates, and everything in someone else's hands. You keep all that safe information with you without having to give it to somebody else. And you can do all of this. You can repair your credit just as good as anybody else. And the MyEcon credit repair system will walk you through that step by step. Okay, it's explained right here on this sales page. So yes, my friend, you can do this yourself and you can save hundreds and thousands of dollars. And you can do that like starting today. Link in the description down below if you want to go check this out. Okay. And if you want to be using our credit repair page, which is the only standalone retail sales page for MyEcon, you got to be on our team. Okay. We're the only ones that are going to give you this. Okay. Otherwise, you're going to have to go create it all yourself. But this is what we do for our team members here in MyEcon. We create awesome products like this so you guys can actually, if you want to, go sell retail. And I know a lot of folks in MyEcon are out there on Facebook promoting just the credit repair, because I see those folks all over the place on my timeline. I know you guys do it. And imagine if you actually had a tool like this, you could be 5xing, 10xing the amount of sales that you get, because now you have a professional sales page to do that. And this isn't a brag or a flex, especially if we can back it up. Okay. The tools and products that we offer our team work. That's why our team grows so quickly. That's why we have the duplication that we do. End of story. Okay. So there you have it, my friends. If you have any questions for me, I left my phone number right at the top of this video. Send me a text message. Ask me anything. If you have any questions or comments, you can always leave a comment down below or just send me a text message. If you're ready to get started in MyEcon, link in the description down below. If you want to get access to this credit repair page and see it for yourself, again, link in the description down below. Appreciate you watching, my friend. Get yourself inside of MyEcon. It is the best compensation plan on the planet out there, and it can actually really work and help you make and save more money. Thank you for watching, my friend. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.